In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PlayStation 5 controller pressing random buttons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase two methods to fix problems with random buttons being pressed on your DualSense controller. This should work for the standard DualSense, DualSense Edge, or any other model. So first, I'm going to be talking about a software fix. As weird as this is, sometimes by running specific programs on the background of your computer, it can cause issues with the buttons being recognized. So this is going to be primarily because of Steam. Steam has a feature called Steam Input, which tries to set up your controllers automatically for you. And sometimes it can cause issues depending on which game you are playing, and especially if you are playing something outside of Steam. So for example, on Epic Games. So what I would recommend for this case is to click on Steam, go into the settings, and inside of the settings for Steam, you will be able to go into the controller category. In here, scroll all the way down, find desktop layout, and make sure that Steam Input is disabled. So if you see this screen, just disable Steam Input. And this should fix any issues attributed to PC keys or random keys being pressed when you use your controller on a PC. Now, if the controller is having problems when you are using it on a PlayStation 5 or this doesn't fix it, it's usually down to the hardware on the controller itself, so the physical aspects of the controller. This usually happens because the contacts are not registering the inputs, or it might be sticking and registering other ones. A lot of dust and debris can get collected on these buttons over time, so it gets through these tiny gaps and can make its way to the internals of the controllers. So the best way to get rid of them is going to be by using stuff like compressed air and some alcohol dipped cotton swabs. Make sure that you get all of these tiny gaps and you should be able to clear them thoroughly. If you notice the problem still persists, usually you will have to dig deeper, and this means disassembling the controller. Sadly, because of a video of this nature, I cannot show this process in full, but you have to clean the contacts, make sure that they are all registering and properly inserted, and see if there's anything sticking or pressing two buttons at once. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 5 controller pressing random buttons. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.